Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Shopify access token. So first you need to log in your Shopify store and then click on settings, and after that click on app and sale channels. Then click on develop apps, and from here let me reload the page again. From here you will create an app and name it anything you would like. So in my case, YouTube tutorial, and I will save this. And once the app is created, go to the configure admin API scope and then select the scope whatever you would like. There are so many scopes. So for example, if you would like to have access to the products, you can select read and write products. And if you like to access to the orders, you can select orders, read and write orders. And once you select the required scopes, click on save and then go to API credentials, and you need to install to get the access token. Click on install, and then you will be able to reveal the access token. You can copy that and save it some secure place. And from the app setting, you can change the name of this app, you can add the description, and you can add the email address, secondary email address if you need. And if you need more scope later on, you can go to the configuration again and click on edit, and then you can click on admin API integration, and then you can select, for example, I need to get the access to the customer, so I can select customer and save that. You have the API access token. Now you can make the API calls. So you can go to the Shopify GraphQL admin API, and if you would like to make any GraphQL API call, you need to go to the Postman and make a new request. And for that you need the endpoint. For the endpoint we need this. Copy the URL and paste that URL over here and replace the store name with your store name. So you will copy that store name from here, from the URL, and replace that with your Shopify, with your Shopify store name. So that will be post request, and we need to add Shopify access token over here, which we created earlier, and then you will paste that Shopify access token over here. And how you can get the products. You need to go to the products and collections, then go to the queries, and from here go to the products, and from here you can get product. First 10 product ID and title. So let's copy this and go back to the Postman, and in the body select GraphQL and paste the query and send the API request, and you will be able to get the data of your store. So this is very easy. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.